Today I'll be discussing about the problems that arises when you are thinking too much about your goals and not enough time to designing your process. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be sharing about the problems that arises when you are thinking too much about your goals and not enough time designing your process. I am going to share the biggest problems that James Clear has talked about in his books Atomic Habit. I have broken down the problems step by step for you so that you have a clear picture in your mind how to achieve your goals. So watch the video till the end. I am sure at the end of the video you will definitely know how to achieve your goals. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new videos on healthy lifestyle and productive living. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the point. So first, let's understand the basic of setting a goal. We all set our goals depending on the present level of understanding and our experiences. If you think of your past, you will find the goal that you set at the age of 20 seems to be meaningless at 25. So to focus only on goals is just meaningless. A handful of problems arises when we are thinking too much about our goals and not giving time to focus on the process. Problem number 1. Winners and losers have the same goals. Let's understand this by an example. Every Olympian wants to win a gold medal. Every candidate wants to get the job, right? But do all Olympians win the medal or all candidates get their job? Similarly, many successful person and an unsuccessful person might have the same goal, but only some of them will succeed and the others will lose. So definitely the goals does not differentiate if someone is a winner and a loser. Problem number 2, achieving a goal is only a momentary change. Imagine you have a messy room and you set a goal to clean it. You summoned the energy and motivation to ended up cleaning, and now you have a clean room. But if you repeat your same habit of throwing stuff haphazardly, you will soon find a new pile of clutter, hoping for another burst of motivation to clean it. You are left chasing the same outcome because you never change the system behind it. Achieving a goal only changes your life for the moment. What we really need to change are the system that cause those results. Yes, when you solve problems at the result level, you only solve them temporarily. Rather, you need to solve problems at the system level. Fix the inputs and the output will fix themselves. Problem number 3 is goal restrict your happiness. The implicit assumption behind any goal is, once I reach that goal, I'll be happier. You might have a goal to earn $1 million every year. And you think, when I reach that point, I'll be happy. But let me tell you, once you reach that goal, you again set a bigger goal and start chasing all over again. And you will not find one goal that will make you happy throughout your life. So, James Clear tells us in his book to fall in love with the process rather than goal to find happiness in your life. Create a mentality of enjoying the game rather than winning the game. Now, you might be thinking, if you completely ignore goals and focus on setting system, would you still be succeed? The answer is yes. Let me tell you by an example. Suppose, if you want to have a flower grown in your house, you will not only think about the flower, rather, you should first think about the soil, manure, water, and sunlight, right? So, soil, manure, water, sunlight all these are not your goals, but these are as a whole form a system or process. So, if you take care of all these things, flower will definitely come for sure one day. So, the bottom line of today's video is stop worrying about your goals, rather fall in love with the process that will take you closer to your goals. I leave you there with this message today. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a new video on healthy lifestyle, productive living, you don't miss it. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.